Financial Solutions is brought to you by First Hawaiian Bank.
We are back, and we are here with tonight's Financial Solutions segment. Now we're going to talk about small business products. Please welcome two friends of mine, Parm and Jenny from First Hawaiian Bank. Hafide, and welcome to the Harmon Studios.
Thanks for having us.
Right, happy Super Bowl day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so getting right into the whole topic of small business loans, exactly what products and services does First Hawaiian Bank have that can benefit small businesses?
Well, we have several business and commercial products ranging from $2,500 to several $1 million. These products can be used for working capital, expanding your business, or purchasing new equipment. And additionally, our bankers are involved in the business community. They work with the Small Business Development Center at UOG to kind of help the new businesses put together a business plan, kind of put together some projections, some standard items that may be needed for our new businesses, and to obtain maybe a small business loan backed by SBA.
Okay, well, there's a good example, Jenny, because a lot of people, when they're starting out with a business, they say, should I go to UOG's SBDC, or should I check out the SBA, or can I just go to my favorite private sector bank and everything? So does First Hawaiian Bank offer SBA type loans?
Yes, we do. Actually, we're one of the preferred lenders here in Guam, and that meaning that we have a strong track record with SBA, and that we have the lending authority to approve SBA loans. Actually, most of the businesses here in Guam do qualify under the SBA standards, size standards, so we encourage all of our businesses here to come and apply for these loans.
Mm-hmm. Now, how popular is that, and what's the typical volume of business you get for small businesses coming in? And
roughly, I don't know, Parm, can you chime in on this?
Well, we just encourage any new businesses to come in, and we just don't want them to feel discouraged. Any new businesses that don't have their business plan together, like you mentioned, visit the UOG Small Business Development Center. They'll help you put together the business plan, and it's free and it's confidential. Mm-hmm. So
basically, you have your idea about what you want to do for a living. You go to them, they get you structured, and they get you organized, and all the legal stuff out of the way.
And then you guys discipline you and kind of manage your expectations.
And then you guys cut them a check.
Well,
it gets a little bit more technical.
Exactly. Yeah. Hopefully, it gets to that point.
Okay, so we got a couple more questions here, but just for people's edification out there in TV land, as far as financial terms and as far as your business is concerned and everything, what is the designation between a small business and like the really big businesses? Is it number of employees? Is it working capital? Like
SB has certain standards, but in terms of size standards, almost majority of all local business on Guam do meet the SBA size standards. Of course, there's some of those larger local companies that kind of fall out of that group, but majority of the companies on Guam meet the SBA standards. There are some type of businesses that are maybe ineligible, such as nonprofits, but we encourage anyone who has questions about these so-called SBA guidelines to come and visit us.
Mm-hmm. Now, I was going to say, where can people actually go as far as the bank is concerned to find more information? I mean, obviously it's just a Google query away and everything, but if people actually want to talk to a real human being, and granted, these are business loans, so maybe there's a little bit more of a different level of service than if you were, just somebody walking in and say, hey, I want to get a loan, what can you tell me?
Well, actually, all of our personal bankers, customer service reps, and business bankers at our 3 locations, Dario, Tamuning, and MIT, and even our 2 locations in Saipan, will be familiar with all the business products.